Hong Kong's aging population has called for an increasingly desperate need for elderly homes. Elderly homes in Hong Kong are often maze-like, with a rigid rectangular structure and tiny stalls as rooms. They are often very compact and are located in dense districts such as Sham Shui Po, which have severe light and noise pollution problems. Furthermore, these elderly homes often have poor ventilation, making them unideal or even unsuitable for the elderly to live in. To combat light pollution caused by neon signs and billboards, the facade of our proposed elderly home has luminosity sensors that control the panels. They open and close at different times of day to adjust indoor light conditions. The facade movement provides the elderly with optimum sleeping conditions and reduces energy use for illumination. To make the home more sustainable, solar panels are installed on the facade such that renewable energy may be used to power the facade and other facilities inside the elderly home. To tackle noise pollution, technology plays a huge role, as double-glazed windows are used to reflect and absorb noises of traffic and other human activities outdoors, so to leave the elderly at peace. To improve the home's ventilation, the panels used between units has tiny pores embedded and can change colors on demand, such that the smart material is breathable and can provide the elderly with the necessary privacy when needed. The elderly have many needs and problems that have to be addressed, including safety and sanitary needs, their poor memory, entertainment, and their difficulty in moving about freely. There is waterproof floor throughout our improved elderly home. The flooring utilizes the principle of biomimetics. By mimicking the microstructure of the surface of lotus leaves, the floor is an anti-skid and self-cleaning floor, thus preventing elderly from slipping and falling over and making cleaning up easier. Due to the poor eyesight and poor memory of many elderly people, guiding lights are installed on the floors that light up for elderly when returning to their respective rooms so that they can see more clearly and navigate back easily. The lights could be easily controlled by clapping to achieve energy conservation. To keep the elderly engaged with one another is the key to keeping them entertained. Hence, a circular form is adopted to create a communal area for them to interact whilst keeping the element of privacy intact. Furthermore, caretakers often have to cater to the needs of multiple elderly people simultaneously. Therefore, the beds are arranged into a circle to facilitate better care and monitoring of the elderly, as caretakers may stand in the center and easily notice which elder requires assistance and be at their service immediately. Last but not least, in order to shorten the journey from the elderly's room to the washroom, our proposed elderly home is able to rotate about a central axis. Inspired by the Chinese turntable, instead of bringing the elderly to the bathroom, we bring the bathroom to the elderly to minimize their walking distance.